Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session, we are going to discuss about the Linux programming. What are the filter commands? What is the importance of the filter commands? Why we are going to use the filter commands? Okay, so first of all, we are going to see what is the main purpose of the filter commands. Okay, so we are having multiple number of the text. So multiple number of the lines of the text. Okay, so in the text what we have to do, we have to filter it and we have to extract our required information. Okay, and we have to do some certain operations on the text. Okay, so all these things are facilitated by using these filter commands. Okay, so to use only required text, to perform operations on the text, and one more thing is to extract the required information. Okay, so to extract only whatever information is required for us, we are filtering the unnecessary information. To extract unnecessary text. Okay, so and to perform certain operations. For all these things, we are going to use these filter commands. Filter commands are so many number of the commands widely used in the Linux operating system. Not only one single command, we are having multiple number of the commands are there for the filter command. Okay, so just we list out what are the various kinds of the filter commands are there. Now we are going to see. Actually, these are the important things relevant to the filter commands, and now we see what are the various kinds of the filter commands are there in the Linux operating system that we most widely used. Now we are going to see here. Okay, various kinds of the filter commands are there. Normally we discuss one after other here. Okay, the very first one is AWK, second one is SED, third one is grep command, and fourth one is COMM, fifth one CMP, sixth one DIFF, and seventh one is UNIQ, and eighth one is sort, and ninth one is finger, and 10th one is head, 11th one is tail, etc. So many number of the commands. So these are the listed commands that we are going to use. Okay, one by one the importance of each and every command now we are going to see here. Okay, the very first one is nothing but AWK. So what is the meaning of AWK? Actually, it is a separate kind of the commands that we will use in the AWK. Separate kind of the programming we will use. In the coming videos, we talk about the AWK. What is the importance of AWK? Why we use this AWK? First of all, I just give the introduction of each and every command. Later we see deeply each and every command. Because this video, the main purpose of making this video is just to introduce the collection of the filter commands. Okay, so the first one is AWK. AWK stands for by three number of the scientists, Ehio, Weinberger, and Kernighan. Scientist name, based on these three number of the scientists, first letters are taken as AWK. That is the main motivation behind this AWK command. Ehio, Weinberger, and Kernighan. These are the three names of the scientists who invented this particular command for various operations of the Linux operating system. Okay, and the next one is sed command. So what is the main thing relevant to the sed command? What is the main background idea for the sed command? Actually, sed stands for stream editor. Stream editor, that means in the stream of the text we are using some kind of the editing operations there. That is nothing but the stream editor. Okay, so it is simplified and simply it is using as SED, that is the SED command, stream editor command. Okay, so for this also I will make a video. Just go through my channel and watch all the videos regarding this stream editor. And next one is grep. Grep already we have uploaded the video. The full form of the grep is nothing but global regular expression programming. So this is the full form of the grep command. The main purpose of the grep command is to extract the relevant pattern or required pattern or required word, whatever it is that we are extracting from the existing multiple lines of the text. So that is the main motivation of the grep command. Again, the variations of the grep command are also there, like egrep and as well as the fgrep command. So regarding this egrep, fgrep and as well as the grep command, already I made a video. It is there. Just go through that. Okay, in the Linux playlist of my channel, it is already there. Just go through that, this grep command. Okay, so grep is over. And next we are going to discuss about one more, is nothing but 12th one, PR. Okay, so here com, cmp, diff. These are the commands. Com, cmp is used for comparison of the files. How can we compare the files? By size, by line and all these things. And diff is used to differentiate two files. How two files are going to be differentiated. Okay. And the unique command is used to identify the unique lines within the given file. And sort command is used to sort the text based on the alphabetical order. Okay. And finger command is one kind of the administrative command. Already we have discussed regarding this filter command in our previous videos. And head command and tail command. Head command is nothing but it is one command which displays only the top 5 lines by default in a given file. Okay, top 5 lines will be printed, will be displayed. And tail means bottom 5 lines only will be displayed. Okay, so head and tail commands are used for this purpose, to display the topmost lines, to display the bottom level lines. Okay, and next one is tr command. Tr command is used to translate the text from upper to lower or lower to upper. Okay, so lowercase text will be converted into the uppercase, translated into the uppercase, and uppercase will be again translated into the lowercase. Like that the commands can be used. So these are the various kinds of the filter commands that we are going to use in our Linux operating system. And rest of the commands, some more commands are also there. That also you will see 2 commands are there. So those are nothing but cut and paste. That also we will discuss now itself. Okay, tr command already we have discussed. 13 and 14 command. Cut command and paste command. What is the purpose of this cut command and what is the purpose of this paste command? Cut command is used to cut the required column or required text or required information, whatever we have given. Okay, that will be stored, that can be stored into the buffer. Okay, so that is the buffer, system buffer will be there, there it will be stored. And wherever it is required, we can store it into the, we can paste it using the paste command. So cut also stores it and paste taken from that buffer. Okay, so standard input, standard output buffer will be there. So there this will be stored and this can be accessed from that buffer, and again it can be pasted wherever it is required. So like that the cut and paste command will work. They can utilize the standard input and output buffer to give the to put the text, what is cut text, what is the text which is cut according to the requirement, and to extract the text which is going to be pasted by using this cut and paste commands. In the coming videos we discuss about this cut command and as well as the paste command. So these are all the list of the filter commands. These filter commands facilitate us to do certain number of the operations, certain different kinds of the, various kinds of the operations on the text files, whatever it is given. Okay, so this is very important commands, filter commands in the Linux operating system, which provides a way to provide some set of the operations, to perform some set of the operations on the text files. Okay, not only text files, there are some kind of the files which are stored in the form of the column format, row format, like that. On that files also, for example, while working with the cut command, we will see how the data is stored in the form of the columns and rows format, like a database format. Okay, so we can use these commands for our purposes, according to our purposes, wherever it is required, and we can perform all these certain kind of the operations. So this is very basic video for the introductory video for all the filter commands, just for giving the introduction of the filter commands only. In the coming videos, we talk about each and every command what I have listed here clearly with the examples. Okay, so what I want to say is, please subscribe my channel and watch all the videos regarding this. Thank you for watching.